Imagine yourself in this 2014 Mini Cooper Countryman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are HVAC incorporated, underseat ducts, trip computer, light tinted glass, passenger illuminated visor mirror, strut front suspension with coil springs, headlights auto leveling, premium sound system, and interior trim incorporated, metal look instrument panel insert. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.